Hey guys, welcome back once again for another mileage video. So a couple of weeks back I have posted a video of me checking the mileage of my Hyundai Creta. So now this time I decided to check the mileage of my father's car. So this is a 2013 Hyundai Elantra 1.8 liter petrol engine. So my father has been owning this car for almost 9 years, and I have been driving this car on rare occasions. So today I decided to check the mileage of the Elantra also. So as usual, I'm going to check the mileage using the tank to tank method. That is, I'm going to fill the fuel tank of this car up to the cutoff point, and then I'll be driving my car for some time, and then I'll be filling the fuel tank once again up to the cutoff point, and with that I can calculate the exact mileage of this car. So first let me fill the fuel tank of this car. So just in I have filled the tank. So I'm going to keep my odometer as the reference, because the trip meter in the Elantra sometimes resets itself automatically. So the odometer reading is now at 73,428 kilometers. So I'm going to drive my car for 1 or 2 days now, and then after that I'm going to refill my tank and check the mileage. So I'm going to drive my car pretty normal today. I'm not going to drive it very slow for the sake of getting a better mileage. So let me see how much mileage this car gives. Day 2, and I have driven 173 kilometers so far, out of which around 60 kilometers are on the national highways, and the rest are around the semi-urban and village roads. So what I have done this time is I have driven my car in almost all possible conditions. That is, I have driven it just with myself as a single driver, and then I took my family for around 120 kilometers in this total distance. I have driven this car just like I used to drive it every day to check the mileage. So the mileage figure which I am going to get at the end of this trip is the actual on-road mileage of an Elantra. So we are barely 2 kilometers away from the fuel station, and roughly I have driven around 194 kilometers so far, and in another 2 kilometers we'll be reaching the fuel pump and we'll be checking the mileage of the car. So let's see what is in surprise for us. So that's the odometer reading after refueling the car, and the car has taken 13.56 liters of fuel to get the tank refilled once again, and the mileage figures it has returned is 14.52 kilometer per liter. Pretty decent for a 1.8 liter engine petrol car. So throughout this trip I was driving the car very normally. I was not driving it pretty slow to get a better mileage figure. Maybe if I was driving it on a highway on a very normal pace, I could have got somewhat better figure, but this is what it returns normal. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you all once again in another video.